Hello everyone, my name is Akash Dikshit. Today is 13 October 2021. So today we discuss about the string method in a Java. Firstly, what is the string? The string is the basically string is the object in a Java, but it can be represent the sequence of the character. So string can have the lot of the methods that can be used for the operation of the string class. So today we discuss about the method of string class, its implementation and the return type. First is the character method. The charAt method. The charAt method, it can be defined the index of the string, which is start from the 0 to the length and length minus 1. So it can give the return type in the character value. The second is the compare to method. The compare to method, it can be generally used to the compare the two string, and it can be give the return type the difference between its ASCII value. Third is the compare to ignore method. It is similar as the compare to method, but in this method we can eliminate the eliminate means we can ignore the similar character in a string. It can give also the return type in the difference of the its ASCII value. The fourth is the concat method. This is generally used for the concatenation of the string. Next is the content method. The content method, it can be used for verify the string. One string can contain into the another string. Its return type is the Boolean condition. The next is the end with. We can use for this method for verify the end character of the string that can be available in the other string. It can be give the return type in a Boolean condition. Next is the start with. In this method we can compare the two strings and two strings with their starting characters. If the given two strings can have the same starting points, so it can be give its true result, and in return time it can be give the Boolean condition. So next is the is blank method. So in this method we can verify the given string is blank or not, and it can be contain the any other character or not. Its return type is also the Boolean condition. So next is the empty method. In the empty method we can verify the given string is empty or not. It's also return type it also give the return type in Boolean condition. So next is the index of. In this method we can verify the index of the character, and its return type is the index value. Next is the last index of the character. In this method we can verify the last character of the given string, and its return type is also the index value. The next is the replace. The replace method can be used for the we can replace the one string into the another string. The next is the uppercase. In this method we can convert the given string in lower case. It can be converted into the uppercase. The next is the two lowercase. We can take the given uppercase string, which can be converted into the lowercase with the help of the lowercase method. The next is the length. It can be used for the finding the length of the string. The return type is length is the string length. So the next is the split. We can use the to split the split method can be used to the split of the string that can have the space or the characters. The next is the value of. So we can use the value of method in a string because we can convert the given data type into the string directly. It may such as the integer, float, double, character array, which can be converted into the string with the help of the trim method. So next is the substring method. It is used to extract the portion of the string from given string. It can be create a object altering the original object. So the next is the equal to method. So in this method we can compare the two string. Equal to means it can we can compare its address or its character. For example, string s is equal to the Hebshine and string s1 is equal to the Hebshine.